Tired of your crypto profits sitting on Kraken and ready to spend that money in the real world? This video will show you exactly how to withdraw your funds from Kraken to your UK bank account, step by step, ensuring a smooth and secure process. First, head over to the Kraken website and log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security, which is highly recommended. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Funding tab. This is usually located in the top menu or sidebar of your account dashboard. Click on Funding to proceed. On the Funding page, you will see a list of options. Select the Withdraw option. Keep in mind you'll need to convert your crypto to GBP British pounds first before withdrawing to your UK bank. Now, select the currency you want to withdraw, which in this case will be GBP. You'll likely see a list of available currencies. Choose GBP to ensure the withdrawal goes to your UK bank. Kraken offers different withdrawal methods, such as Faster Payments and SEPA. Faster Payments are generally quicker for UK banks, so select this option if available. SEPA may also work, but could incur higher fees and longer processing times. If this is your first time withdrawing to your bank, you'll need to add your bank details. This will involve entering your bank name, account number, and sort code, so have these details ready. Double-check these details are absolutely correct to avoid any issues with the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any withdrawal limits. Kraken may have review all the details displayed on the confirmation screen to make sure everything is accurate, including the bank details, the amount, and the estimated fees. For security, Kraken will likely ask you to enter your two-factor authentication code. Enter the code from your Authenticator app or SMS to authorize the withdrawal. Once you've authorized the withdrawal, you'll see a confirmation message with the estimated processing time. Faster payments usually arrive within a few hours, but it can sometimes take up to 1 business day. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Kraken to your UK bank account. Remember to check your bank account within the estimated processing time to confirm the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, contact Kraken support for assistance.